This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Chuck Bennett. This adorable 3-bedroom 2-bath home is situated on an oversized corner lot and features an open floor plan, brand new roof in 2020, new AC in 2018, newer thermal pane windows, tile and laminate floors throughout, and a large screen enclosed porch overlooking the spacious backyard with shade trees and room to roam. Conveniently located to the avenues in Viera, Merritt Island, Cocoa Beach, and Port Canaveral. Hurry, as this home won't be available long. For more information, review the details below or contact Chuck Bennett at 321-863-2126.